In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your card number on Apple Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone just trying to keep up with the digital age, understanding how to navigate your Apple Wallet can be incredibly beneficial. So grab your device and let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to open the Wallet app on your iPhone. If you're unsure where to find it, you can easily spot it on your home screen with its distinct icon resembling a colorful stack of cards. Once you have the app open, the next step is to focus on the card whose details you want to access. Now, to find more options related to your cards, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon is your gateway to additional settings and information for that particular card you have in focus. So go ahead and tap those three little dots. Once you've tapped on the three dots, a menu will appear. Among the options, you'll find Settings, a crucial section for accessing more detailed information about your card. Click on Settings, and this will direct you to a more comprehensive menu regarding your card. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a list of all the cards you have in your wallet. Take a moment to skim through and select the card for which you want to view the information. This step is pretty straightforward. Just tap on your chosen card and you'll be guided to the next phase of accessing your card details. With your card selected, you'll need to proceed by clicking Open to proceed to your online banking. This feature connects your wallet app with your associated online banking application. It's a simple yet effective bridge to further verify and access your own card details directly from your bank. Once your bank's online application opens, you will find that all relevant card information is now accessible. This online banking environment retains your card data securely, and you'll often find it located under sections like card info or account details. It might be helpful to explore these tabs if you're not immediately seeing what you're looking for. And there you have it. That's the new way of checking your card information securely using Apple Wallet. By following these steps, you ensure your card details remain private and secure, all while conveniently accessing them when needed. Remember, technology is here to simplify our lives, and knowing your way around these tools will make managing your finances just a bit easier. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it as straightforward and illuminating as intended. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tech tips and guides. And as always, feel free to leave your questions or experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy tech exploring!